So we're here at Metro Beach, and we just want to applaud the work that the park has done here in Harrison Township in Macomb County for something that is so fantastic for the environment and really helps all of us, the public, when we want to come and use this beach. Because there are problems at the beach, there have been over the years, with too many Canadian geese, right? You can hardly walk through this beach. Well, now they use goose busters, where they use the border collies to chase the geese off the beach. But in addition to that, they've made this beautiful beach restoration area here. And there's all kinds of beautiful trees, native plantings. So it attracts the pollinators. But in addition to that, what it's actually done, there's actually little speakers that you could see. Actually, if you walk down along here, you see these little speakers. And what the speakers are is they're emitting sounds of a distressed Canadian goose, okay? So if you're a Canadian goose and you hear that sound, you think, I'm not going there. There must be predators. Before they had this here, it was just grass, right? Right up to the sand. Well, now when the Canadian geese are flying in, not only do they, first of all, they see this little thing going on here. So this restoration area, they think, gosh, there could be a predator there. Maybe I shouldn't land. Then they hear those little sounds of the distressed goose, and they really don't land here. So it really saves all of us who want to enjoy and recreate on the beach here from walking through all of their business. So it's very cool. I'm sure many of you have been over here and you've seen it when you're over here with your family on the beach, which, by the way, is such a fantastic resource that we have here in Macomb County. But I just thought we would point this out because, you know, it's just a fantastic thing. And it also, you've heard us, we've done videos on some of our drains, the different things that we're doing, whether it's a Sterling Relief Drain or some of the other areas where we're doing all of these native plantings and trying to attract pollinators. And in our case, of course, we want to make sure the drains are working. But then there's all of these spin-off kinds of things. But this is just a very, very cool thing right here at Metro Beach in Macomb County.